Hi guys, today I'm going to show you these 2 bags of homemade paper squishies that I made. First I'm going to make these ones without the packing tape. I have this apple. This sun, my first one that paper squishy I made. This biscuit. This heart. It's not taking this poop. This groundhogs, that's a guinea pig thing. French fries. Tree. This bread loaf in bigger size. I have a smaller size. This one. I just made this out of memory foam and paper. This what do you call it? Watermelon, but small. So that was in my first bag. Let's put that over there. I have just a little bit of these. This is one with the packing tape. So I have this teardrop. This number 45. 45 hits. This is actually pretty surprising. This paw or foot or whatever it's called. This orange. It's the first packing tape one I did. This biscuit. This 7. This 9. This red wall that is a derp that he doesn't like himself and he is dumb because his head is off crooked. I did that on purpose. It's actually pretty cute. I had to tape it right back again because it was ripping there. Then my favorite one is this brownie cookie. So, if I have this, I have a stapler because this is like ripping a little bit. Like, I can't, I don't know where it is. I think I found it. Okay. So, then that's good. This is the cute one. It's like super cute. This is my favorite one. Ow, my hurt. So, I'm going to lay these out. If you want to see my next video that I lay all them out and I actually show how much ones I have. So, bye!